Reflexive pronouns. Use of words like myself, ourselves, himself, themselves, etc. Have you heard people introduce themselves like this? Myself, Teja. Do you think that it is correct? No, not at all. It isn't. The correct way is to be introduce yourself is I'm Teja, or more formally, my name is Teja. Let's see why this is so. Read the following words: myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, and themselves. Myself and ourselves refer to the speaker, that is the first person. Yourself and yourselves refer to the listener, that is the second person. Himself, herself, itself, and themselves are referred to the third person, that is the object or the person who is being spoken about. These words are called reflexive pronouns. They have a special use in a sentence. Let us see why are they called reflexive pronouns. Let's read the following sentences. Veena saw herself in the mirror. His mother said, Teja, dry yourself with a towel or you will catch cold. The guests have to serve themselves in a buffet. Please notice the pronunciation buffet. It means the platform or the counter where meals are kept and guests serve themselves. All know what the buffet is because most of the parties that we attend are in this manner where the food is laid on a table or on a counter where we take the food from it. The only problem is that most of us pronounce it incorrectly. Some say buffer, some say buffet, but the correct pronunciation is buffet. You noticed three words herself, yourself, and themselves are called reflexive pronouns because they refer back to the doer of the action. We can also say that they refer back to the subject, the person who is performing the action. For example, in the second sentence, Veena saw herself in the mirror. Herself goes back to Veena or refers back to Veena. Similarly, in the second sentence, yourself goes back to Teja. And in the third sentence, themselves refer back to the guests. So, the reflexive pronoun refer back to the doer of the action in the sentence. Sometimes the reflexive pronouns are also used for emphasis. Here, herself, Veena, yourself, Teja, themselves, guests. Read the following sentences. My son baked this cake himself. In this sentence, the speaker is feeling proud that no one else baked the cake but the son of the speaker, that is himself. The himself word has been used for his emphasis. She herself locked the door because she did not trust anyone. In this sentence, the pronoun herself has been used for the emphasis. For emphasizing, she had the word not been there and the sentence. She herself locked the door because she did not trust anyone. Even then, the sentence would have been correct. So, the word herself only puts on emphasis on she. Why did lock the door? Because she did not trust anyone. I could not say no because the boss himself asked me to do the work. In this sentence, again the word himself for the boss only emphasizes that the boss himself asked him to do the work. In these sentences, the reflexive pronouns are used for emphasis. Read these sentences. I am myself Teja. I am a plumber. Myself Teja. I am a plumber. The above are incorrect sentences. Both these sentences are wrong way to introduce yourself. Now let us know why, because myself is, as you know, a reflexive pronoun like myself, yourself, themselves, etc. require a verb that refers back to the subject, or for emphasis this before does not happen. The correct way to introduce yourself is I am Teja. I am a plumber, or my name is Teja. I am a plumber. Please note the pronunciation of the word plumber, not plumber. Don't pronounce as plumber. It is plumber. A reflexive pronoun requires a verb that refers back to the subject, or it is used for emphasis. We learned what are reflexive pronouns. Their use as emphasizing pronouns. Correct use of the reflexive pronouns in sentences. Thank you.